Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Chartify AI. First, download and open the Chartify app on your mobile phone. After opening it, tap on Get Started. You will get precise, actionable trading insights powered by AI. Now tap on Next. You will get tailored insights generated for your trading style. Hit the next button and snap or upload a trading chart, and Chartify instantly analyzes it to deliver actionable insights. Then tap on Get Started. Here, choose your number one goal in trading from the given options. Choose your preferred option to tell the hardest part about trading for you. Next, tell about your trading experience and the market you trade the most. Now select your current trading style and it will start creating your personalized AI trading assistant. After that, you can unlock the power of Chartify and master your trades. You will get instant access to Chartify Unlimited for advanced chart analysis with multiple analysis styles and AI-powered recommendations. You can enjoy real-time speed, precise insights, and exclusive updates with every feature included. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more content like this.